Hello students, in this video we will discuss one very important question that was there in the examination, recent examination, Tinsukia Board revisionary test. Discuss the role and activities of Assamese. Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha. Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha was established in 1888, but before that Gyan Pradayani Sabha was established in 1857, and this sabha successfully work for the re-establishment of Assamese language in Assam in 1873, because before that the British introduced Bengali language in Assam in court, in schools, in official works. Therefore Gyan Pradayani Sabha did it. Then in 1873 Assamese Literary Society was established. This society was literary as well as literary society, but it also raised some political issue. The members of this Sabha submitted one memorandum to the then Viceroy Northbrook and requested the Viceroy to connect Assam with Bengal by railways. This is one issue, and they also requested the Viceroy to develop the resources of Assam. This was these were the organization before the formation of Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha. In now Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha in 1888, Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha was established. This was a literary organization, and this was the birth of this sabha was the result of constant attack on Assamese language in Bengali press. In 1888, therefore, this sabha came into being. The then students Lakshminath Bejbarua, Hem Chandra Goswami, Kanaklal Barua, Ramakant Barkakoti, and Chandra Kumar Agarwala, these were the students that time. By their initiative, this sabha matured into a literary society, and this literary society worked for the development of Assamese language and literature. You see, this Sabha wanted to give a strong scientific base to the Assamese language. They wanted to have one standardized systematic grammatical system in all the schools of Assam. They also wanted to compile a comprehensive social history of Assam. They decided to translate important Sanskrit works into Assamese. And by the initiative of this Sabha, Hemkosh was published. The government undertook the publication of Hemkosh by the initiative of this Sabha, Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha. The students who came from Bengal held regular discussion on literature, history, culture, and language of Assam under the banner of this organization, Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha. They opened several branches in the states: Kohima, Tejpur, Dibrugarh, Sibsagar, Nagaon, Golaghat, Barpeta, Gwalpada, Jorhat, Guwahati. These are the places where the branches of Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha were opened. This Sabha also, published one journal named Jonaki, and first editor of this Jonaki was Chandra Kumar Agarwala. This way, and Hemchandra Goswami, Lakshmikant Bejbarua, and Chandra Kumar Agarwala, these are known as the Trimurti of Jonaki age. Trimurti of Jonaki age. This way, first one Gyan Pradayani Sabha, this next one Assamese Literary Society, next one Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha. The last one was there. Last part of the answer was discussion was there in the examination for question. Discuss the role and activities of Asamiya Bhasa Unnati Sadhani Sabha. आशा करते हैं आपको अच्छा लगेगा। और अगर यूट्यूब पर देखें तो मेरे चैनल इंदिरा कोचिंग क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन दबाएं, अपना कमेंट लिखें, और कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप लिखें, मैं आपको सेटिस्फाई करने की कोशिश करूँगा। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस टाइम।